Hello everyone, today we shall be learning how to use histogram to plot or to represent a simple set of data. Histogram is a graphical representation of a distribution of data. Please hit the subscribe button and click on the notification bar as we forge ahead. So this is the histogram we are aiming to generate. You can see this is the x-axis down here, and this is our y-axis, which is the slump. So this is the table which we shall be using. This is the result of a slump test. The table below shows the results of a workability test result of concrete mixes made by partially replacing natural aggregate with demolished concrete aggregate at different percentage replacement. Study it and represent it in the bar chart. So as you can see, this is our percentage of DSA, DCA, and this is our slump. So this will be our x-axis and this will be our y-axis. So let's rush to Kaggle and start decoding. So this is my Python environment. So this is Kaggle. Log into your Chrome and click on Kaggle and open a new document, open a new notebook. So let's start. So the first thing you do when you want to code is to import the necessary libraries, and here we are importing Matplotlib, pyplot, because some libraries are not pre-installed. So if the library is not pre-installed, you need to import it. So if it is pre-installed, you can leave it, but these libraries are not installed with Python. So we are also importing NumPy as NP. So while Matplotlib is a popular library for creating visualization in Python, pyplot provides a convenient interface for creating various types of plots. So we are going to use the PLT to create our chart. NumPy is used for numerical operations in Python. So we move forward to define our data. Then to load the data, we can just use this to give explanation, like to make comments and descriptions. Once you put hash, anything that comes after it is not relevant to this coding. It's just for comment. So this hash is not relevant. You can decide not to put it, just to make our work more understanding. np.array. Then you open your bracket. In this 0, we have 2, we have 5, we have 7, we have 10, we have 15, we have 20, we have 25, we have 30. So these are the values of the x-axis. You can check the table. This is the values of the x-axis. Then we have to put the values of the slump. The values of the slump represent the y-axis. So we are defining it now. So our slump is equal to np.array, just like we did up there. Then we put our bracket, and then this we have 66. Yes, we have 62. We have 59. We have 51. We have 44. We have 35. We have 33. We have 29, and we have 21. Okay, so we have loaded the data. The DCA represents the x-axis, while the slump represents the y-axis. So we move forward to create a bar chart. So we use our description tool. We just write create a bar chart. Create a bar chart. Okay, so here we have plt dot figure. You know why it is dot? Because it is a shortcut of something. So that's why we have to write plt dot figure. So we put our fixed size. Put our fixed size is equals to, I know what PLT means, our Matplotlib pyplot, because we assigned it at the beginning. So the fixed size is 8.5. What does that mean? 8 inches wide and then 5 inches tall. That is the meaning. The width of the figure that I want to generate. Okay, so we have a PLT bar. We want to define the bar now. What will be in the bar, the description, the y-axis and x-axis. So first is the x-axis. You know, x-axis normally comes first before y-axis. So we have DCA. What else do we have now after DCA? Is slump, which is now our y-axis. Okay, so we have our color. We want it to be blue. You can decide to make your own red. You can decide to make it green. Anything you want. If I put B instead of blue, it will still understand it. If I put R, it will still understand it. So depending on what you want to achieve, and how fast you want to be. Okay, so the alpha, we want to define the alpha, the transparency. That's what the alpha is. So 1 is very transparent. So within y, 1 is 0 is fully transparent, or 1 is opaque. It's 0 that is fully transparent. So you set it between 1 to 0, the transparency. So we have set that one. Then so this is the width. The width is 0.5. Okay, no, let's make the width 1.5. 0.5 might be too small. Let's make it 1.5. Okay, so we have done that. That is the width of the bar, not the width of the figure, but the width of the bar, because we have already defined the width of the figure initially. So we put the label here, x label. We put the label. So what do we want to label our x? We want to label it percentage of a DCA. That's what we want to label it. Okay, sorry, we are supposed to introduce this percentage of DCA. Then we label enter reality, small reality, y label. You know this is case sensitive also. You need to know that and make sure that everything is followed accordingly. Okay, so this is our y label, percentage of DCA. Our y label is slump. We have labeled x axis. Okay, let's introduce our this. So we have slump. We open bracket to put the unit. We open bracket to put the unit mm. So it is our slump. We have labeled it. So let's plot grid. Let's put grid in this. I guess it now. So and then let's also plot the title. Okay, after the y label, let's plot the title again so that we know that every label is following the same sequence. Title. Let's call it bar histogram. Bar histogram of slump versus DCA. So we have done that PLT.grid. Then what else now? It's not for us to. I don't think we have any other thing to include for now. It's not for us to show our this. So here now, what we do is that we need to press here so that it can run. So I see this now, even though it's plotted, but there is an error here, name error. ELT is not defined. Do you know why? Because here now it is in capital letter and we defined our PLT in small letter. So, and where is that? We have it here. Which one is in capital letter here? Is this one? This one is capital letter. So we put it in small letter. We run it again. I see that error message has gone out. And you can also run by pressing shift enter. We run the code. It starts coming here.